Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Yeah, viewers and subscribers, you don't know who this already, this killer. Walking raisins. In our restaurant, they call that walking raisins. And if you hear the word walking raisins in our restaurant, you might have an idea what that means, don't it? Walking raisins. Now, them say that this actually happened at Montego Bay, Jamaica, Sangsters International Airport. You see me? Now, I want to remember now that it's going to be a little bit disgusting. So I say, but I have to make sure I keep you, my viewers, posted to see what I go on. You understand me? Now, I have a video here to show you. I want to take a very good look at it. As I say, and tell me what you think. And the question we ask is, would you actually order or eat at a restaurant like this? You know what I mean? Me don't know my answer already. So, me just go to this. And for the future, if you're new to my channel and want to stay up to date with information like this, you have to click the subscribe button to stay, with the Dancehall Killer as always. Alright? Observe.
I'm find a cockroach in a Starbucks. Look. It's for the sandwich them look. So one over this up on the sandwich. You see that? And look, see next Friday. Yeah? So next cockroach I run go over this, you see it? Watch the two of them. You see that? Starbucks can't catch me and friend them again, watch it. Be a cockroach. Watch on this, watch a cockroach on this. This way I eat. We don't know what we are eat when you buy out the road. Dirty cockroach pan food. Watch this, one up the same run gone, Ross. No, my love, this not safe. In a big Starbucks, you don't tell me no. Starbucks, see that Starbucks me in. So then can see a line me a tell. See? Starbucks refresher. I see the cockroach glass case there. At Sangsters International Airport, Montego Bay, Jamaica.